So I have here the Outre Melted Hairline Lace Front Wig. This is a 2 in the color, and this is Catalina. And I know everybody reviewed this, but y'all ain't seen my review yet, so don't come for me. But this is how the stock card looks right here. And this was $38.99, and I purchased this from samsbeauty.com. And let me see, baby hairs are included, but I didn't feel that it needed baby hairs, so I just took them in. Soft Swiss lace. That is so true. Like, the lace was so soft. And I usually get cheap wigs, like I really do. And some of the laces are soft, but not like this one, in my opinion. So the lace was really, really nice. And it says pre-attached wide elastic band, which it does. This is my second wig that has an elastic band on it, and they're useful, so I'm gonna give it that. And I did go in already. I did not pluck the part, but it was a little humpy up here, so I just took a flat iron and I flattened these parts down right here, and it looks a lot flatter than it was at first. I just took the hot comb and flattened right here and in the back. I also put some makeup around here, but I mean, I'm never gonna wear this to the back or anything, so I usually just wear my wigs down how they are. I usually don't style them, so I didn't really think that it needed anything. But this is actually a ear-to-ear wig. It stops right here, and it also stops right here, and my head is really big. I don't know the circumference, but this is like the second wig that goes ear to ear on me. I don't glue any of my wigs down. I don't do any of that spray stuff. None of that. I just put this wig on and I go. That's how I want them to be. I want to put them on and I want to go. But if you did glue this down, you will see that it did go ear to ear on me, and it would be really, really cute with how they're saying the melted hairline would be. It would be really, really cute. But let's talk about the cons first. So one of the cons I have about this wig is I don't like the curls. It just seems like it just seems like it's not enough like body to it for me. It's not enough curls. I mean, they're cute, but I could take some more. Like, I could take some more curls. So that's the only thing. Like, this right here, this is not really doing anything for me. Like, this bane area, I just need a little more feather, a little more pizzazz, a little more sauce. It don't have no sauce up here. It's just dry, and I don't like that. But I mean, it's still cute. It's so simple to me. This is kind of like an easy one to put on. I can see the thing, what they're saying, a melted hairline. I get it. You know what I'm saying? It's cute, whatever. If you glued it down, it would be real melted or whatever. But this is how the hairline is looking like if I was to put it in a ponytail. And it looks really good. Like, it really does look good, especially if I'm far away. Like, of course, I didn't glue it or anything, but I'm going to get close because I don't got no shame. But if I did glue this and really went in with the powder and the makeup and stuff, it would look really, really good. But I'm not going to wear it like that again. I'm just going to wear it like this. I didn't get any tangles from this unit when I was brushing it. But I did get some shedding, but it was minimum amount of shedding. But for the most part, this is cute. I don't think it was worth $38, but whatever. What do I know? I'm just a beginner wigger. But this is really, really cute. And it goes to about right here, right under my boobs. So that's how it goes. And let me see if I can show you. Let me move the camera back. Let me see if I can show you, you know, how it looks. This is the front of it. I don't know what to do with this bang, y'all. This is the front of it. And then this is like the side. And then let me just show you how the back. The hair is really, really soft. So I really like that the hair is really, really soft. It's so soft. This is like it's like a silky, but it's not like 100% silky, just so plasticky feeling. It has like some kind of kink to it, but it's not too shiny. It looks really simple, like a real put on and go wig. I just don't know what to do with this bang. And I be seeing so many people brush the bang and then it's supposed to fall into a feather, but it's just not, it's not giving me that. It's not giving me the life I want. I mean, it's still cute. It's just, I don't know, it's okay. It's not all that. How people just, oh, the metal hairline, they amping it up, and it's just not coming to me. But it is cute, and I just wanted y'all to see how it look. Y'all can tell me what y'all think down below. You know what I'm saying? Do y'all have it? What colors y'all have? I really like this. People were reviewing the Aaliyah too, and I kind of want to get that to see like what the difference is, but I don't. When I was looking at people reviews, it was just like, oh, okay, it wasn't nothing special. They just need to get rid of these curls or something, because it's just not working for me. The curls is just not working. But it's really a cute unit. The hair is really soft. Now, I'm really amazed by how soft this hair is. Like, it is really soft. Not too shiny. I'm glad I didn't get any tangles, because dealing with synthetic wigs and color wigs, I get so much shedding and so much tangling. It just feels like a breath of fresh air to get a wig that's not like tangled every 5 minutes. But yeah, that's my review. Tell me if you have this wig. I know a lot of you do, all you gurus out there who I watch. But yeah, she cute. You know, tell me if you're feeling her down in the comment section. You know, we talk in the comment section. But that's all I have for you. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit me on Instagram at Musix44. And until next time, all my key bees and key dogs out there. Peace.